Today, we'll explore transforming conflict into consensus. Our goal is to differentiate between productive and destructive disagreements, facilitate discussions, and guide groups toward shared solutions. Key concepts include cognitive diversity, conflict resolution frameworks, and consensus-building techniques. Let's dive into the silent consensus challenge. In groups, you'll agree on a solution without speaking. Reflect on the problems that emerged and consider how disagreement might have been beneficial. I'll demonstrate two planning approaches: quick agreement, which misses key points, versus managed disagreement, leading to a stronger plan. Let's explore how disagreement can be a powerful tool. We'll analyze case studies like the National Aeronautics and Space Administration's engineers who challenged O-ring safety, preventing disaster, and Blockbuster's missed opportunity with Netflix. Consider when disagreement has improved outcomes and the consequences of avoiding conflict. These examples highlight the importance of embracing diverse perspectives for better decision-making. In our role-play activity, we'll explore school issues like phone policies. We'll use perspective sharing, interest mapping, and solution crafting to find common ground. Observers will provide feedback using the G3C rubric, focusing on clarity, civility, and consensus. This exercise will help us practice transforming conflict into collaborative solutions. Let's establish classroom conflict protocols. Use disagreement starters like "I see it differently because," and resolution pathways such as data checks and compromise building. Reflect on your disagreement style and consider how you might handle conflicts differently in the future. This will reinforce our skills in transforming conflict into collaboration. Let's reflect on our consensus-building journey. Consider an exit ticket. What's one strategy you'll apply in future group work? Use perspective cards to explore stakeholder views. Extend learning with historical debates or mock mediation. These tools empower us to transform conflict into collaboration, enhancing our problem-solving skills. Adapting our approach for different learners is crucial. Younger students can use an opinion continuum, while older ones benefit from corporate case studies. Remember, disagreement is a leadership tool for collaborative problem-solving. As William Wrigley Jr. said, "If two people always agree, one of them is unnecessary."